AI, will your job disappear? Worried about robots stealing your job? You're not alone. AI is rapidly changing the job market, but it's not all doom and gloom. Let's break down which professions are most at risk. Jobs involving repetitive tasks and data processing are highly susceptible. Think data entry clerks, bookkeepers, and even some customer service roles. AI excels at these tasks with greater speed and accuracy. AI algorithms can quickly analyze large datasets, automate reports, and handle routine inquiries. This increased efficiency means fewer human workers are needed for these roles. Self-driving technology is poised to revolutionize transportation. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery personnel could face significant job displacement. While fully autonomous vehicles are still under development, the trend is clear. AI-powered logistics systems are also optimizing routes and warehouse operations, further reducing the need for human intervention. Chatbots and AI-powered virtual assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They can handle a wide range of customer inquiries, resolving issues quickly and efficiently. This means fewer human customer service representatives are needed, especially for basic support tasks. AI can provide 24/7 support, reducing costs and improving customer satisfaction. Don't panic. Focus on developing skills that AI can't easily replicate: critical thinking, creativity, and complex problem-solving. Research future-proof careers and invest in continuous learning. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on navigating the changing job market and learn how to adapt and thrive in the age of AI.